Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video about this. What can you nudge? And I've got a video that shows how you can change your super nudge and your macro nudge. And I thought somebody's watching this, they might not be able to find this. So I've got my nudge factor set on 1 inch. I'm going to go to Tools, Options, go to Documents, and then go to Rulers. And here's your nudge. My nudge is set on 1 inch. You can set your nudge right here. The super nudge, which is the control, is set at 2 times 1 inch. The macro nudge is set at 1 inch divided by 2, which is half. So you could change these. Remember, we moved it 2 inches? Well, let's move it 4 inches this time. Let's change this to 1. Well, it won't let me do that because I've got it set on. So it's going to be half. The macro is going to be the half. Or you could, well, no, we can make it a quarter. There we go. Let's go OK. So here's our line. We're going to nudge it. It's set on 1 inch. We're going to control nudge it. And it's only going a quarter of an inch. That's your macro. Now, if we hold down the shift, it went 4 inches. It says 5, but we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. It moved it 4 inches. So you can change that. So if your regular nudge is set on 1, your control would be a quarter. So instead of going to half, it's going to a quarter of an inch and then a half an inch. And then holding down the shift, it's going to go 4 inches at a time. And if it's set where I normally have mine set 0.001, you're going to use the shift key quite a bit because of the fact that when you have 0.001 and you nudge it, look how slow it goes. Now we're going to hold down the shift key and it's going to go quite a bit faster. So that's where I keep mine. Because if I want to get back to this baseline, the edge of my line, I'm going to hold down the shift key and move it quite a bit until I get close. And then I'm going to let go of the shift key and I'm going to nudge it over. Now, with that said, you can always hold down the control button and just move it out of the way. And you can move it back. And then you can move it with the macro nudge with the control down. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.